Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in North Maharashtra University and in mechanical department, and today's date is 8 November 21, and today's topic is inner classes. Java inner classes is also known as nested classes. Java inner classes or nested classes is a class that is declared inside the class or in interface. We use inner classes to logically group of classes and interface in one place to be a more readable and maintainable. Additionally, it can be access all the members of the outer class including private data members and method. Advantages of Java inner classes. There are three advantages in Java inner classes. These are follows. Nested classes represent a particular type of relationship that it can be access all the data members of the outer class, including private nested class, are used to develop more readable, maintainable code because logically grouped class interface into one place. Only code optimization is required, less code to write. Need of inner class. Sometimes user need to program a class in the such way so that no other class can access. Therefore, it would better include within other classes. If all class object are part of outer object, then easier nest class inside the outer class. That is, all the class can access all the object in inner class. Type of nested classes. There are two types of nested classes: non-static and static nested classes. The non-static nested classes are also known as inner classes. Non-static nested classes: member in nested classes, anonymous inner classes, logical inner classes, static nested classes. Type description of the member class in inner class and outside of method. Anonymous inner class, a class created for implementation and interfaces, extending the Java compiler decided name. Local inner class is a class was created within the method. Static nested class, a static nested class was created in the nested interference was created with the class of interference. First is Java member inner class, a non-static class that is created inside the class but outside the method. It is called as a member inner class. It is also known as regular inner class and access modifier like public, default, private and protected. Java anonymous inner class. Java anonymous inner class is inner class without a name and for the which only a single object is created. An anonymous inner class can be useful when making an instant and object with certain extra overloading method of classes of interference without having a subclass and class. Java local inner class. A class created inside the method is called as inner class in Java. Local inner class are inner class that are defined in a block. Generally, this block is method body. Sometimes this block can be for loop and clause. A local inner class, not member of any enclosing classes. Here the belong block defined due to the local inner classes can have the access modifier associated with them. However, the can be marked as final abstract. These classes have a field of class enclosing it. The class the inner classes having example when we starting the loop or we starting the method, we can take a outer class, and outer class can be starting with void sample method, and in the sample method we can take in the inner class and we can call it from the main method by using test name like class name. When we use class name, the class name is same as per the as per in the main method, and we starting with the class name, first class name, and you take object equal to new and your class name will be class name and double semicolon is used. When we create a first object, we can call, while we want to call the inner class in that program, then we take a first object and starting with the name of the class, and class dot the first object, we no we can create a new object for the new class, and first name of the class and dot new class new object is equal to old object dot method name, and that's it. Thank you for watching.